Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the ch sound. This sound can be represented by the letters CH or by this symbol. Can you make the ch sound? Follow these steps. First, pucker your lips like this. Next, place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth behind your upper front teeth. Then, place the sides of your tongue against the sides of your upper top teeth. Now, quickly blow out some air. Let's try putting those steps together. Are you ready? Ch. Ch. Now, let's practice saying a few words with the ch sound. Listen and repeat after me. Here we go. Cheese. Picture. Watch. The ch sound can be spelled with the letters CH as in cheese, T as in picture, or TCH as in watch. Nicely done! Great job! Ellii.